Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today we're just going to do a quick video on the Faux Stainless Steel Technique. Now I've already done this card here and I've used beautiful peacock, and the DSP is from the Springtime Foils Designer Series paper pack, which includes these types of papers and this one. So they're all done in silver and gold and copper embossing, and it's more a card weight Designer Series paper than paper. And I've done a few techniques in my Live with Libby on Facebook, but I thought I'd come in and show you how to do this technique. And I've actually gold embossed the peacock on the background, and I've used gold here and gold ribbon, and this is also from the Springtime Foils Designer Series pack. Gold embossed inside and on the envelope. Who doesn't like a bit of gold, eh? Alright, so we'll get started on this technique, and all you need is some Memento ink, a sponge brayer. Now I have seen it done direct to paper, but you get very, very inky that way, and if you want to stay a little bit clean, use a sponge brayer. Alright, I'll leave all the measurements on my blog, but this is 9 centimetres by 13.4 centimetres, and I'll put the imperial measurements on my blog as well. So I'm using Tuxedo Memento black ink and a sponge brayer, and start at the back and roll forward. Always go in one direction so you don't get stripes of ink on your sponge brayer. And then you're going to start off your card on one side and just come across. Now you do that to try and prevent stripes, and you just keep inking up your sponge brayer until you get the desired look. I know, fancy ruining this beautiful DSP with black ink, but it's a wonderful technique and it's so easy. So you definitely need to get the Springtime Foils Designer Series paper. It's available in my online store when you spend $90 or more, and it's from the second offering of Sale-a-Bration. I'm just going to do a bit more up here. So for every $90 you spend, you can choose a free Sale-a-Bration product, and the Springtime Foils is one of them. And I'd love you to shop with me. Now, early in April, I'm going to start a VIP group for my Australian customers. And in that group, you'll be able to get challenges, win prizes, get specials, and you can also get free tips and maybe even some extra videos. So that'll be my Facebook VIP group, and to join that, it'll be free if you have shopped with me in the last 12 months. So it's only for my customers. It's easy to be a customer. Go to libbystamps.com, click on the shop button, and make sure you're shopping with me. Alright, I think that's about covered it. Now if you shop with me, I also send out little thank you gifts and a thank you card for every order you place. So you can place 1 order or 10 orders during the month, and you'll get 1 or 10 thank you gifts. Now they're not large because I need to be aware of postage, but they are free and they are gifts. Alright, so that's all we need the Memento black ink for. Come in with a bit more paper towel. Alright, now watch this. Just rub with your paper towel. You're not having fun if you don't get ink all over you, are you? Alright, so there's that one. Okay, so I think that's about all the ink off the card. It's not off my fingers, so I'll have to give my fingers a bit of a wipe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then you won't miss any more of my videos. There's my card front. Now I've already gone ahead and made some of my card, and we're going to put beautiful peacock on it. I'll put it over here, and it does cover it up a little bit, but I did want to use just all sale-a-bration products today so you could get them while they last. March is the very last month of sale-a-bration. You don't want to miss out on free product, and you can choose a free product for every $90 you spend, and I will still send you a thank you gift and card in the mail. And a bit of silver ribbon. I'm just going to, alright, we'll just use some glue dots to hold our ribbon down. So what I do is I line my card up on my grid paper, and I put a glue dot sort of where I want the ribbon to go, and then stick the ribbon down. Stick the ribbon down like that over the top of the glue dot. Alright, then bring it round to the front, and I'm just going to tie a knot. So I go right over left and under. This will give me a flat knot or a reef knot. Put my finger on it, and left over right and under, and tie it flat, and then you just need to neaten up those ends. Now, don't throw these little ends out because you can use them. Make little banners out of them or something. Alright, so that's our card front done. And I've already gone ahead and put some silver foil on the front of our card. And it measures 10 centimetres by 14.4 centimetres. I've already done the inside of the card and the envelope. So all we need to do now is stick this on, and we're finished. Quick, easy technique. Looks fabulous. People will think you're amazing when you give them a card that looks like this. And let's put this on the front, and we're done. So I got all the stamping and everything done today because it was more about the technique than me showing you how to stamp, because I'm sure you can do that already. Alright, so there's our card with envelope that we've just made with the stainless steel technique, and here's the other one I did earlier. So thanks so much for stopping by today and spending time with me. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you can shop with me by going to libbystamps.com and clicking on the shop button. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.
Creation, imagination, try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find inspiration. All I'm saying is you can do it. I wanna hear